Welcome to the medieval zone.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Nicola. Thank you. Only well brought up one amongst you.
Thank you.
Yes. As we journey through the maze, there will be 4 types of tasks: skill, physical, mystery, mental. This is a skill task. Saoirse, your captain, a skipper. You've got control of the rudder.
Yep.
Was that a hiccup? Or what happened?
Just freezing on the
It's
wall.
gassy.
Yeah.
It's gassy. It is gassy sometimes running.
Yeah.
Who are you going to pick?
Pick Jamie Lee for this one.
Jamie Lee.
Yeah.
How do you feel about being picked?
Nervous being first.
Good.
Nervous.
Take the hand and come with. And just form a nice little clump by the door. Well done. That was a good transition, wasn't it?
Yeah.
2 mins from when I close this door. Your teammates may assist through the hatch. Any questions?
No, nope.
Okay. Here you go. There we go.
Right. Okay, right.
2 mins.
Okay.
Start now.
I know the mirrors to reflect.
Do you know what you need to
to
do?
reflect the shard of light onto the target
Okay.
to burn the rope and free the crystal.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay, right.
Where's the rope?
Where's the rope, guys?
Is it here?
It's right here.
Do you see it?
Okay.
The target
some
was the
of the
key word.
lights.
Target.
Okay.
Okay. Right, so that beam of light has to hit
There's
here.
the light beam. Okay, so turn
So
it
that
on.
has to hit
Where's
there.
the target?
That has to hit there.
Can you locate the target?
This has to hit here.
Can anyone? Yeah. Where's the
Where's the target?
Do you know where the target is?
Angle the mirrors to
Isn't it the rope? That's
Dylan,
yeah,
where's
yeah.
the target?
Is it the target?
Oh, is it?
Yes.
There you go.
That's right.
That's the rope. Do you see up there?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the rope. Okay, so now you see the middle mirror.
The middle one has to sort of.
Yeah. Yeah, nice. Well done, Ryan. You're good.
This
Okay.
one
Yeah.
has to.
Well done.
There we go. Down
Well
there.
done.
There we go. No, this has to go a wee bit more. Oh.
It'll be very interesting to see how the dominant hierarchy of this group progresses over the 40 minutes. 1 minute left.
Yeah. That's it. That's it. She's doing it, right?
Yeah.
It needs to be right on the target, very precisely.
It's really...
You may need to make adjustments.
Ay.
That was
really hard.
That seems nice.
That's it. You got it.
Yeah!
Okay, the crystal.
Get it. Get it.
Yes.
Stitches.
Wow. Okay.
Got it.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Right. Okay.
What a catch.
Celebration-wise, you're going to have to pace yourself, lads.
Sorry.
Okay, because there are 10. And if you're planning on winning 10,
Well,
keep some in the tank.
Okay.
Okay.